COVID is the only instance where oxygen is required. Oxygen could be required in mostly all serious medical conditions and emergencies where there is breathlessness and respiratory problem. We even learned that a few puffs of pure oxygen could keep us younger and the skin glow. Pure oxygen keep the children more active and brighter. Dr. Oxygen generator does not need battery or electricity and has a long shelf life. Dr. Oxygen, a small and a light gadget, is not only for the hospitals but for every other public places and health centers, school, gym, clubs, and I would say every home. It is very affordable and a must-have.
Pipe ba baro, dagani lapentem, bahadu menta ke jinglong jingman hapo ke district, kampat long ke basngan ha ke biadai bat kani ke jingpang klam COVID-19. Bat ka jingdon jong gibayo yaw niu kanyang jingpang, kadang kiu man la kesni, na kani kadaw ban te la kam ka jingpur state jong uniu kanyang jingpang ha ki pipe ba nong song snong, ka district magistrate Ribhoy district, katkum ka kendon an jispa saw pusaw si RPC, kalapen mi biang ya ka hukum, bandang tengi ki jing perking lani ka strict containment measures, habaro kaway ka district, kaban sedang nadu kapor san baji men step jong kalai terik u Julai hajar puway, tat hadu banda penbena da kumway pan. Ka night curfew kan long man la kamit, nadu kapor nyo baji jan mit hadu san baji men stem. Baro ki jing yalang patba, ka jing pli ki jaka money blay, ka jing pli ki tourist spot, ka jing wanrung jong ki tourist na Shabar jilla, ka interstate movement, ki jing kai sports bat ki jing itho shongkurim, pat sya ban pentrikam. Baro ki dukan marbam, kin pli tangha ka sngi balap tha, kata ka sngi ningkong, sngi balang bat sngi thoding, nadu kapor khandai baji hadu saw baji jan mit, bat ki weipat ki dukan kumbala penbena na kapor sya kapor, kin pli tangha ka sngi baar bat sngi palay, nadu kapor khandai baji hadu saw baji jan mit. Bat ka jing pli ya ki dukan kan long hi katkum ka jing penbet jong kirang basnong, haringkat incident commander lani u block development officer ki inside to construction work ki home delivery services bat ki e-commerce activities kin trekam tanglingba ka permission baro ki dukan sya restaurant bat ki way la sya tang da ka ba parking lani song badra ka jingi lumbrio ha ka ban late on tap ya ki balaklan kan long tang shiphawngun ki central but state offices Bank, Life Insurance Corporation of India, Mahindra Financial Services, bat ki post office kin trekam da ka penduna ya ka jingdon jong ki staff. Kani ka an kanom trekam ki pharmacy, kinong trey jong ka tanat ka koit ka khya, kinong shong snong ki banlet ai tika yada, police, security and armed forces, civil defense and home guards, fire and emergency services, electricity, PHE, municipal, public distribution system, DIPR, telecom, press, petrol pump, LPG, veterinary, ki batray ya ki katling soy, ka jingpen tray ya ki MGN REGA, bat ki kamrep kamriang ha kinong kendong. Ki kali kamay ki badon yaw number u bakut haw even number, note R sound riu bat prang, kinyat ya ka sngining kong, sngi balang bat sngi thoding, tanga katayo ka baningkong bat kabalay, Kadba katayo ka baar bat kabasaw, ki haban ya tangha ka sngi baar bat sngi palay. Ki weipat ki kali kamay, ki ba u number ukut haw odd number, i way lay san nyo bat kenday, kinya ya ka sngi ningkong, sngi balang bat sngi thoding, tangha katayo ka baar bat kabasaw, kadba katayo ka baningkong bat kabalay, ki haban ya ka sngi baar bat ka sngi palay. Ya kasngi sajan bat kasngi ublay, la penjari kum kasngi sange trekam, weekend lockdown, on sya ikikali ban mi syasurong. Kumban syupen kenmau biang sasisien, ya baro kinong nya kali kamay, hapok ka district, bagi day banta ya kakentian vaccinated lan ya not vaccinated, hakmat jong kayit kali sya kaliang kadiang. Kinong nya kali kibaladep ban aitika yaladi, Kiday ban let mi siya ka office ng district transport officer nongpo, da ka bara ya ka vaccination certificate, bat ka driving license, nakabenta banyo ya ka sticker lani green card. ki weipat ki bom pat ai lani ki bom kwa ban ai tika ki dei ban tho da ka kentin not vaccinated ha ikot sada A4 size but manla ka shipos ni ki dei ban phat test yalade but ya ka negative report jong ka RT-PCR test kan long kum ka sernot jing pen shisha yalade lada don na kinongnya kali kamai ki bakwa ban lek ai tika kila ban lek mi sya ki vaccination center ha ringkat ke epic na ka benta ban yo ya katika bat sya ka office jong UDTO na ka benta ka sticker laptha ya baro ban bud renti ya baro kilat jing yada kum ka badeng tikna ya ki mas ka bathet khu ya ki kti bon sin lani penon kam da ka hand sanitizer ka batap ya ka khmut bat ka shintur ha bajir ho bat sunria bat ru ka bapnya jinga yala de na ki weipa kublei shibun